Welcome. If you want to make sure all your phone contacts are seamlessly available on Telegram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable contact synchronization on Telegram. This quick setup will help you connect instantly with friends, family, and colleagues who are already using the app. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best experience and newest features. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap on that to open the main menu. From the menu, find and tap on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account preferences and privacy options. Next, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. This section controls how your personal information is handled and who can see your details on Telegram. Now keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Sync Contacts. This is the key step. If the toggle next to Sync Contacts is off, simply tap it to turn it on. Telegram may ask for permission to access your phone's contacts. Make sure to allow this so the app can sync your list. That's it. Telegram will now automatically match your phone's address book with its user database. Any of your contacts who are already on Telegram will appear in your app, making it easier than ever to start a chat or create a group. Syncing your contacts keeps your Telegram experience up to date and ensures you never miss a connection. If you ever add new contacts to your phone, Telegram will keep them synced as long as this setting stays enabled. Thanks for following along. Now you're ready to enjoy a fully connected Telegram experience. Happy chatting.